Welcome back, everyone. In the last session, we have seen how to use regular expression, what is regular expression, and using the website pythix.org, we actually took out the string for the MAC address. We just want the MAC address from the whole test string, and this test string was the result for the IF config of 8080. So we actually know how to get this MAC address by just using this \w 17 times. So \w is basically, again, I just want to remind you the \w is the alphanumeric, it will select all the alphanumeric values. And we just used it 17 times with the colon in between so that it will specify that our MAC address is the same as the regular expression. So we're just going to copy this regular expression and let's get back to the code. Okay, so you can see there's a little small drop down icon. You can just click on that so that you can close it so we can work on the code again. Now what we want to do is like we can create a new function. Okay, and this would be like get the MAC address function. And in this function, first of all, we need to import the regular expression module, which is import RE. That's it. So in the function, let me just add this. Oh, sorry. So in the function, what we're gonna do is like we're gonna create a variable. Let's say if underscore result. If underscore result, and let it be equal to sub process dot check output. Yeah, sub process dot check output. We're gonna use the check output method over here instead of call, because call is just giving the what we say. Call is just giving the value for the commands which was given. But in the check output method will give the value in the list form, and from the list we can select whatever whatever string we want. So in check output we're gonna write ifconfig, and let's provide a variable over here in the function. And when we provide this variable, we can go as interface. Let's close this. Okay, that was the result. Now we're going to use the method as I think we're going to use it like MAC address. Yeah, we can create a new variable MAC address and then re.search. Let me check the documentation again. Yeah, it was re.search. We're going to create a variable. It was re.search and then the regular expression and our string. So in that was, I think, Python 2. That's why it didn't provide the R, but we need to like provide this R so that the Python will know that this is the regular expression string, and it will search in the output that will provide afterwards. So the regular expression string was, it's copied from the Pythix. This was this one, and then the IF result. So that's it. So let's make a condition statement. Let's see if MAC address exists. Then just return MAC address, of course, with value 0, because the value will come into the list and we want the first item in the list. Else, just print the error message out, which will say not able to find MAC address. All right, now just Now we just return the MAC address to the get MAC function, and in the main here we can just use this like current MAC equals get MAC. Should be actually written after this get MAC, and the interface would be args dot interface. And if we're gonna print current MAC to check if everything is working fine, and let's comment this out. Oh, sorry, let's take this out for time, and let's see if it's working or not. Save this, and I've configured it. So Python 3 mac changer.py minus I EDX0 minus M would be 0011233455. So it says pattern flags dot search compiler. Okay. So basically the error is because it's not string. We have to create this into the string. It's actually binary, I think, and we have not created it to the decimal. That's why it was having some problem. Now I think we'll run this. Yeah, now it just shows our MAC address, which is the current, which is the current MAC address, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching this. In the next session, we'll use this technique. We'll use this function, and we'll just check the output for the input, and we'll just suggest the user with those specific data. Thank you.